PP Auto Group. Look what we have here. I was actually almost going to get this car. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am letting my Instagram followers control what I do for the entire day with my GTS. So I put a couple polls online. If you guys saw the stories and you guys voted, thank you. The first question was, where should I get my drinks from? And the options were Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, and what was the last one? Cafe Nero. Everybody picked Starbucks. You guys are so basic. The second one was, where should I get my lunch from? And I put Chipotle, Kava, and Five Guys. I wish you guys picked Chipotle, but you guys picked Five Guys. I haven't had Five Guys in years, but it's okay, it's a burger, can't really go wrong with it. Last one was, which dealership am I gonna have the joyride to? And the options were Lamborghini, McLaren, Ferrari, and Mercedes. And honestly, I thought you guys were gonna pick like Lambo or McLaren or something, but everybody picked Mercedes. Hopefully Mercedes has a lot of good inventory there. I haven't been to that dealership in a while. So first stop, let's go get our coffee from Starbucks. Alright, so unfortunately the drive to Starbucks was not too eventful. There was too many cops and too many cars on the road. So hopefully the drive to the Mercedes dealership will be more fun and I'll record some more of that driving footage for you guys. Like, do you guys just want to watch me drink this coffee, or what do you guys want me to do? You guys want me to come to Starbucks and we can't really sit down or anything? Let's go to the next location. Alright, we're getting a hamburger, guys. We're getting ketchup, jalapeno peppers for sure, lettuce. So we got the stuff. She got Panda Express, I got Five Guys. I'm not gonna betray you guys, but look at all that oil. You guys are gonna get me killed one day. I would be down to eat outside, but it's way too windy today, and I'm definitely not eating inside the GTS. So I'll eat it later. But now we actually have to go and check out some other cars at the Mercedes dealership. So let's go. Closed. Oh my god, those downshifts though. Oh my god. Ooh, look at this. Look what we have here. I was actually almost going to get this car. I was almost going to get the E63S instead of the GTS, but the four-door look, I don't know about it. Do you guys think I should have gotten the E63S instead of the GTS? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, look at all the new E-classes. No new E63Ss. I've only seen one. Ooh, there's a S63. This is a wicked nice luxury monster. Too luxurious for me. 2021 GLE 63S. So just the price, $116, and then after options, $127. GLE 63S, 2021. What do you guys think? A stock C43 brings back lots of memories. If you guys are new to the channel or to my Instagram page, which you should follow, link down below, I used to have a C43. Oh wow. GLA 45, looking nice. With these rims, that looks pretty nice actually. I like it. How much do these go for? 2021 GLA 45, 56K, that's not bad. Do you guys like the new design of the 2021 models? I think they look pretty nice. With the new headlights and everything, super nice. PP Auto Group. PP or Pepe. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's just funny.
Oh my god.
Ooh, look, the wing is going up. Look, show them the wing. Woo. Looks wicked nice. I like. Downshift. Downshift again. Floor it. Oh my, downshift again. Anyway, so we're at McDonald's now because we finished the Starbucks and I want a sweet tea now. Today is a good day to eat unhealthy food because you guys are making me eat Five Guys already anyway, so a sweet tea isn't gonna hurt. Let's get some sweet tea.
Dump and jump for the shit. Up top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go. It's only up from there.